If you knew that just one sentence could make her heart race and stay in her memory forever, would you still waste time with weak lines like, "You're hot," or "Nice dress"? Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Most men have no idea how powerful their words really are. They think attraction comes from looks, money, or status. The truth is, it's the way you make her feel that truly sets you apart. One of the most underrated tools you have is a well-placed compliment. Think about it. Have you ever noticed a woman completely shift just because of something a man said? One sentence delivered the right way can change the way she sees you, not just for a moment, but in a way that lasts. Today, I'm sharing 8 compliments that go beyond surface-level flattery. These aren't weak or desperate lines. They're psychologically powerful statements that make her feel truly seen, respected, and drawn to you. Here's the reality. Tossing out generic compliments like, "You look cute," or "Nice outfit," just makes you forgettable. But a man who speaks with control, intention, and understanding influence and attraction knows that the real power isn't in the words themselves, it's in how they make her feel. If you want to stand out and leave a lasting impression, stay tuned. But first, take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of these insights for building deeper connections. Compliment 1. That fragrance you're wearing is addictive. Most men overlook scent completely, but a woman's fragrance is a powerful trigger for memory and desire. A certain smell can instantly take someone back to a moment in time. When you notice and compliment her fragrance, you're saying, "Your presence lingers in my mind." That attention to detail shows you are present, thoughtful, and different. Deliver it with calm confidence, not desperation, and watch how her body and energy respond. Compliment 2. Your smile could brighten up an entire room. A smile isn't just lips or teeth, it's energy. When you notice how her smile affects a space, you're recognizing her impact on the world around her. Most men only compliment looks, but by calling out the power in her energy, you show emotional intelligence. This kind of acknowledgement sticks because it goes beyond appearance and celebrates what she brings to a room. Compliment 3. I love how real you are. In a world full of filters and masks, authenticity is rare. This compliment validates her courage to be herself. You're not admiring a mask, you're admiring her soul. Saying this communicates that she doesn't need to change, that the real her is enough. And in a world of pretenders, that recognition is magnetic. Compliment 4. I love the way you see the world. Most people follow the crowd or repeat the same opinions. When you notice her perspective and express that it makes you think, you honor her mind, her insight, and her courage to see differently. This kind of compliment creates emotional intimacy without touching and makes her feel appreciated for her depth, rather than just her appearance. Compliment 5. I love your energy. It makes me want to be the best version of myself. Some people drain a room, others lift it. When you recognize her energy as inspiring, you're saying she elevates everyone around her and sparks growth in you. That's far more meaningful than superficial praise. It's deep respect. Compliment 6. You're one of the most thoughtful people I've ever met. Thoughtfulness is rare in a world full of performative kindness. Recognizing her genuine care and effort shows you notice her character, not just what she presents. From a Stoic perspective, valuing virtue over vanity, this compliment honors her integrity and the way she enriches the world. Compliment 7. I love how driven you are. Your purpose is inspiring. Ambition is rare, and when you acknowledge it, you're admiring her mission, effort, and mindset. You're showing respect for her focus and persistence, which resonates far deeper than flattery. Recognizing drive positions you as a kindred spirit who values action, not just words. Compliment 8. You have an incredible way of making people feel comfortable and valued. Emotional intelligence is a quiet superpower. When you recognize this, you're acknowledging her ability to create connection, safety, and presence. Most people miss this, but noticing it shows depth, appreciation, and genuine respect. That kind of compliment is unforgettable. These 8 compliments go beyond words. They're bridges to connection, trust, and meaningful chemistry. A woman may forget what you said, but she will never forget how you made her feel. If you found this helpful, Click on the next video about 7 good morning texts she can't ignore. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Words carry power, and when used intentionally, they can transform the way you connect. Let's master connection, one deliberate word at a time.